Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a sunflower coaster. So I am using these two yarn balls of chocolate color and yellow color and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook and a cutter. So let's get started. This is a 3-ply cotton yarn. You can use 4-ply yarn also, but you have to decrease the number of rounds by using a 4-ply yarn. So wrap the yarn around the fingers and make a magic ring, and we would start working into this magic ring. So make chain 1, go into the magic ring and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops. So this is single crochet stitch, make single crochet 2 into the magic ring, then make single crochet 3 into the magic ring, then single crochet 4, single crochet 5, and then the last one is single crochet 6. So focus on wise, chocolate color is a dark color. So now pull this starting yarn strand and close this magic ring. Now we would work into the spirals. So we just go into the first single crochet stitch and we would not make any slip stitch. We would make a single crochet stitch into this stitch. So now this is the beginning of our second round. So place a stitch marker into this very first single crochet stitch of the second round. Now we would work into the same stitch again. So make a single crochet into this stitch. Now into the next one, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now in the next one, make 2 single crochet stitches, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. As we have 6 single crochet stitches in the first round, so at the end of second round we would do 2 single crochet stitches in each. So we would have total of 12 single crochet stitches in the second round. So complete 12 single crochet stitches. Now the second round is completed. Now remove the stitch marker, go into this single crochet stitch and make a single crochet. Place this stitch marker into this first stitch of third round again. And now this is our single crochet stitch. Into the next one we would do 2 single crochet stitches. So make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now in the next one make 1 single crochet stitch and in the next one do 2 single crochet stitches again. So make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Into the next one make 1 single crochet. So this is the similar increase which we mostly do in circles, which is made with single crochet or double crochet stitches, in which we would increase 2 stitches in the second round. Then in the next one we would increase after 1 stitch, and after the second round in the third one we would increase after 2 stitches, and in this way we would do increases. Now this round is completed. Remove the stitch marker go into this first stitch and make a single crochet. So this is the first stitch of fourth round. Place the stitch marker again, and this is our first single crochet stitch. Now into the next one, make one single crochet, and after these two single crochet stitches, in the third stitch we would do an increase. So make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now in the next one, make one single crochet, in the next one make one single crochet, and in the next make two single crochet stitches together, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. So do an increase after every 2 stitches and complete this fourth round. Do 2 single crochet stitches in every third stitch. So in this way we would complete our fourth round, and in the fifth one we would increase after 3 stitches, and into the fourth one we would do an increase. So complete the fourth round. At the end of every round, in the last stitch, we would do 2 double crochet stitches. So now remove the stitch marker and make a single crochet in this single crochet stitch. Place the stitch marker again, and in the next 2 stitches we would do 2 single crochets. This one is the first, then single crochet 2 in the next, and then single crochet 3 in the next. After these 3 stitches, into the fourth stitch make 2 single crochet stitches, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Do single crochet 3 times in the next 3 stitches. Now into the fourth one, do 2 single crochet stitches, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. So complete this round by increasing after 3 stitches in every fourth stitch. So I have completed this round. Now remove the stitch marker again, go into this first stitch and make a single crochet. Place the stitch marker again. This is our first stitch of round. Now in the next 3 stitches make 3 single crochet stitches. After that, into the fifth one we would do an increase. So single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now in the next 4 make 4 single crochet stitches, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3 and single crochet 4. Now into the fifth one make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. So do an increase in every fifth stitch and complete this round. So I have completed this round. Remove the stitch marker again and make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch. Place the stitch marker again into this first stitch, and now make single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, then again single crochet into the next stitch and then single crochet in the next one. So after these 5 stitches in the next one, which is the 6th stitch, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. So do an increase after every 6th stitch, single crochet 1 in the next, single crochet 2 in the next, single crochet 3, then single crochet 4 and then single crochet 5, and into the 6th one do an increase again, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same stitch. So complete this round in the same way. So I have completed this round. Now remove the stitch marker and go into this stitch and make single crochet, place the stitch marker again and then make single crochet stitches in every next stitch. So single crochet in the next one, do single crochet in the next one, again do single crochet in the next one, and in this way do single crochet stitches in every single crochet stitch and make 2 single crochet stitches in the 7th one. So increase in the 7th stitch and complete this round also. So I have completed this round by increasing in 7th stitch. Now remove the stitch marker, go into this stitch and make a single crochet, place the stitch marker again, go into the next stitch and make a single crochet, go in the next one and make a single crochet, then go in the next one and make a single crochet, and in this round we would not do any increase. This is the simple single crochet stitch round. So do single crochets in every stitch one time and complete this round. I have completed this round. Now remove the stitch marker and make a single crochet in this stitch, place the stitch marker again, make a single crochet in the next one, and in this way make single crochet stitches in every single crochet stitch of the previous round. Again we would not do any increase in this round also. So complete this round without any increase again. So these are the 2 last rounds which is not having any increase. Now remove the stitch marker and go into the single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Pull this yarn a little bit, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle at the back side stitches. So I have woven these yarn ends. Now cut both of these yarn strands, the starting one and the ending one. Now the middle part of our sunflower is ready, and we would make petals now with the help of yellow color yarn. Now go in any of the stitch, so you can start from anywhere. So start working, make chain 1 and then make a single crochet into this same stitch from where we have started working. So make a single crochet. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. After these 3 chains, skip 2 single crochet stitches and into the third one make a single crochet. Then again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, skip 2 stitches and into the third one make a single crochet. make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, skip 2 stitches and into the next one make a single crochet. Again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, skip 2 stitches and into the next one make a single crochet. In this way make single crochet and 3 chains after every 2 stitches. So I have completed this round. Make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3 in the last. Make a slip stitch into this starting single crochet stitch of this round. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch. Now start working into this chain 3 space, go into it and make a double crochet, then make double crochet 2 into this stitch, in chain 3 space, then double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and the last one is double crochet 6. So after these 6 double crochet stitches, go into this single crochet stitch and make a single crochet. Now work into the next chain 3 space, make 6 single crochet stitches in it, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5 and then the last one is single crochet 6. After 6 single crochets, again make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch and start working into the next chain 3 space again. Do 6 single crochet stitches in it, single crochet, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6. After 6 double crochet stitches, make a single crochet into this single crochet stitch. So in this way we would make petals of the sunflower in every chain 3 space. So I have made all petals. So now make a slip stitch into this very first single crochet stitch of this round and pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle or crochet hook at the back side. I would use a yarn needle. So I have woven these 2 yarn ends. Now cut these yarn ends and our sunflower coaster is ready. You can use this for coffee mug or teacup. So I hope you like it. So give this video a huge thumbs up if you like, and if you want more coasters tutorial, let me know in the comments. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.